It's March 15th, and that means there's 1 month to go before it's time to pay the tax man. But because of last year's economic woes, more Americans are doing their taxes themselves. While you still have to pay Uncle Sam, you might not have to spend as much on tax preparation services. For more now, we're joined by Kelli Grant, senior consumer reporter for SmartMoney.com. Good morning.
Good morning.
The woman with all the good tips. All right, so if you want to save some money on tax preparation, should you show up at the office of this guy with a big box of receipts, or do you want to be...
You want to be organized, for sure. Showing up with a box full of receipts is one way to guarantee that you're going to pay top dollar. Most preparers will charge you based on how complicated it is to prepare your return, and while a lot of that is the forms that are involved, whether it's a 1040-EZ, you need a Schedule C, all of that, a lot of it comes down to how much they have to go through to get everything done. So pull your stuff together before you head to the preparer.
Any way you can utilize the internet this year to save you money, because I know we always talk about when we're buying items to use coupon codes. Does that work with tax preparation?
Surprisingly, there are coupon codes for tax preparation. Just looking at sites like couponcabin.com, couponshack.com, and Retail Me Not, we found plenty of them. Print out coupons for Jackson and Hewitt for 20% off when you go in stores. Coupon codes for H&R Block, about 15% off. And then Capital One just sent emails to a lot of its cardholders offering a 25% discount on TurboTax when you link through the email. So
that can add up to a lot.
Mm-hmm.
I understand also you can get some rebates on services?
You can. Another way to do this, and you can usually stack them with the coupon codes, is if you link to the preparer's site through some of these third-party reward sites. Ebates, for example, is one good site, and they offer 11% back at H&R Block and 15% off at Complete Taxes.
What about the deadline? Because we know it's April 15th. Filing ahead of time, way ahead of time, can be really good, but we've already missed that. What about filing late? What can you do?
That is an option. Of course, there is a catch, though. Most preparers will offer at least a discount of about 15% if you're willing to miss the tax rush. I mean, obviously, everyone's trying to get their taxes done, like right now. If you let them prepare the return after April 15th and you file an extension in the meantime, you can get that discount. Of course, you'll still need to pay Uncle Sam by April 15th any taxes that you estimate you owe. So you need to do a little bit of math on your own.
And lastly, are there any changes this year because of the economy and maybe the Obama administration has changed rules or anything like that?
Something that consumers do want to think about is if you've been unemployed in the past year, or you've had a change in your financial circumstances where you brought in a lot less income or your taxes were very simple, you might actually be able to get your taxes done for free. There are plenty of free file programs through the IRS and the various partner websites, and then also some government organizations that will help you figure out your taxes.
It can save you a lot of money. All right. Kelli Grant, Senior Consumer Reporter for Smart Money. Thanks so much.
Thank you.